Hi guys, welcome to One UX One. Today I'm going to show you 5 crucial apps that you must have as a UX designer. They're all affordable or free and great and easy to use. So let me just show you how they work. So the first one I want you to download if you really want to get to learn wireframing is Figma. And the reason for that is, one, it's free, it's really easy to use, and there are great templates out there you can download from UI kits. So you can just Google Figma UI kits, and just like this one here, you can see you can download kits that are ready-made templates. They're already set for mobile and desktop, and you can just play around with them to get the experience of what it is like to wireframe and how you can improve your skills. And even you can take these icons and copy paste them into other designs that you're working on. So you can take components from here. You can learn all about the text and editing text. So you can select a text like this, and you can go over to the right and change the text font, change the size, and play around with it. That way you're going to learn how to do that. The next app I'd like you to look at is Miro. And why do we need Miro? Miro is really, really great for collaboration. Now, if you see all those stickies on the wall and affinity maps all around when you watch UX videos, you'll notice that, you think, well, when you're training for UX design, you think, well, what does it actually mean? How do they work? So you can now practice without a team at home using Miro. So Miro will allow you to put sticky notes on an infinity wall, and the wall just is never ending. So you can literally write as many sticky notes as you want and add them and color them in. Now, let me give you this example here. Here you've got pain points, you've got positive feedback, negative feedback, observations and tasks. So this could be a stakeholder workshop that you're running, and you can practice with something like this, and you can just use these stickies, move them around and change the color. And that way you could actually run this on a Zoom call, Teams, or practice with your friends, and just get someone to do an activity that will help build your skills in stakeholder management, in running UX meetings and workshops. And this Miro will be a great addition to your skill set, because you don't actually have to have real stickies, so you're saving paper. You don't have to have real people. You can do it yourself, you can do it remotely, and you can do it from home just like the real thing. So Miro, great one. The next one is really, really great for wireframing in quick, rapid designing. So let me show you how Freehand works. So let's say I want to create a desktop design. You simply click and it creates like a hand style. Click and see and view your own design. So here I'm creating a banner. I'm going to create 4 image boxes. Really, really fast and easy to do. It's a great way to learn wireframing. And then I'm going to here have space for some written text. So there you go. I've just designed a desktop mock-up really quickly. It took me seconds to do. So use Freehand if you want to learn wireframing. The next one I want to show you is Slack. And why? Because Slack is what most teams are using to collaborate. And the reason it works so well, and I'd say it works better than Teams, is Slack is great for teamwork, because you can here on the left have your channels, which are your teams on different areas you're working on. It could be one for wireframing, one for user research, one general one for chat, where you just gossip with your colleagues, and direct messages. But what you can do in Slack is you can have your messages and then have side messages. So you can actually reply to a message and take it offline, so that not everyone has to read all the messages. The other thing with Slack is you can share videos, GIFs, files, and you can also take conversations offline and online. So you can invite people to a side conversation alongside the general chat. That allows people to be part of conversations if they want to be, or if they're busy, they don't have to join that conversation. So it's really, really great collaboration tool. And the last one I would like to show you is Trello, because Trello is something that's really great for sprints and agile working. And we have this thing called boards. As you can see, a board here, and you can put down all your tasks in different boards. Now, the great thing about this is you can move them about really easily. So here's one for social media marketing, but this is just a template. You can use it for UX design as well. So resources, you put all your list of resources here, and you just add another card at the bottom here. Really, really quick and easy to do. And then you have an ideas board, a to-do list, doing and done. And then anything else you can have, like an icebox where things you want to think about later on. But the great thing is you can switch them and move them around really easily like that. That's one of the great things about it. The other is when you're collaborating, you can add video, you can add files, and you can add descriptions, and who you want to assign it to can all be done from Trello. So everyone knows what's happening. You can add members and a checklist and dates and deadlines. So everyone is really clear on what is due, what's in plan, what is in progress. All of that is really, really great to do on Trello. So Figma, Miro, InVision Freehand, Slack, and Trello. These 5 apps, absolutely essential if you want to succeed in UX design. Download them. They're all free to use, so you can start today and benefit from it. If you find this video beneficial, please subscribe, let others know about my channel, 1UX1, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.